Welcome, grooming aficionados and fellow skin enthusiasts. In a world filled with countless grooming gadgets, finding the perfect electric shaver can be a daunting task. But fear not, we've embarked on a journey to test and unveil the top 5 electric shavers of 2024. As your trusted grooming guru, I've subjected my facial fuzz to the scrutiny of these cutting-edge devices to bring you the lowdown on what's truly the best in the market. So buckle up for an in-depth exploration of these cutting-edge grooming gadgets that have been put through the ringer in the pursuit of the smoothest, most comfortable shave. And as always, links to all products reviewed are in the description and pinned post below. With no further ado, let's dive in. Welcome to Compare Craze. The Gillette Labs heated razor. We call this one the luxurious experience. Stepping into the realm of luxury, this heated razor redefines the shaving experience. As I embrace the warmth of this innovation creation, I couldn't help but be impressed. The adjustable heat technology transforms your morning shave into a spa-like indulgence, allowing the blades to effortlessly glide across your skin. The Flex Disc technology ensures constant contact with your skin, adapting to your facial contours. At $120, and while not a traditional electric shaver, the heated razor provides a unique blend of grooming and relaxation. It's not just a shave, it's a sensory journey. So what sets the Gillette Labs heated razor apart? It's choosing the level of warmth that suits you best. This feature not only adds a touch of luxury, but also contributes to a soothing spa-like experience. The Remington F5 5800. We call this one the Budget Maverick. For the budget-conscious groomer who refuses to compromise on quality, the Remington F5 steps into the spotlight. The cordless electric shaver is a workhorse, delivering a reliable and close shave without burning a hole in your pocket. One of the more budget-friendly shavers on the list at roughly $60 and equipped with pivot and flex technology. The F5 effortlessly adjusts to your facial contours, ensuring consistent contact for a smooth shave. In my test, the Remington F5 proved that grooming excellence doesn't have to break the bank. So what sets the Remington F5 apart? It's Intercept shaving technology. This ingenious feature pre-trims longer hairs before they reach the blades, ensuring a more comfortable and efficient shaving experience. It's a budget-friendly innovation that keeps your grooming routine streamlined. The Panasonic Arc 5. We call this one the Power Horse Performer. The Panasonic Arc 5 is a powerhouse that means business. Armed with a 5-blade system, it swiftly mows down facial hair like a champion in a shaving arena. The ultra-sharp blades, powered by a robust motor, effortlessly slice through even the densest beard growth. I tested this one on varying lengths, and the Arc 5 emerged victorious every time. Wet or dry, the Arc 5 handles both terrains with finesse. Coming in at about $160, the pivoting shaving head maneuvers with ease, making it a versatile companion for the man on the move. Factor in the sleek design and you've got a grooming tool that not only performs but also looks the part. So what sets the Panasonic Arc 5 apart? It's precision pop-up trimmer, perfect for those finishing touches. This nifty tool allows you to sculpt and shave your facial hair with utmost accuracy. It's a game changer for maintaining those sideburns or crafting the perfect beard line. Precision at your fingertips. The Philips Norelco Series 9000. We call this one the Contour King. Enter the Philips Norelco Prestige, a shaver that contours to your face like an artist's brush to a canvas. This rotary wonder adapts to the nuances of your facial structure, capturing every hair with precision. The Nanotech Precision blades are a testament to Philips' commitment to excellence, ensuring a smooth and comfortable shave. The Smart Click Precision Trimmer is the finishing touch, allowing you to perfect your grooming masterpiece. So what sets the Philips Norelco Prestige apart? Its customizable shaving modes. Dive into the Series 9000 Prestige's arsenal of features and you'll find this amazing feature which allows the ability of dynamic customization to your liking. With 3 different shaving modes, you can choose between sensitive, normal, or fast to match your skin's mood. Whether your skin's feeling sensitive, normal, or you're in need of a quick shave, this shaver's got you covered. How awesome is that? Coming in at $250, this is where versatility meets precision. As we round out our exploration of top-notch electric shavers, let's shine a spotlight on the Max T cordless shaver, an honorable mention that caught my attention during testing. This under-the-radar gem packs a punch in terms of performance and innovation. The Max T cordless shaver impressed me with its consistent and efficient performance. The dual-blade system effortlessly tackled varying beard lengths, providing a close shave without causing irritation. In my test, it proved to be a reliable companion for those seeking a straightforward grooming experience and lasted roughly 2 months on a single charge. Here's where the Max T truly stands out: the Turbo Plus mode. This feature unleashes an extra burst of power, ideal for tackling denser areas of facial hair or for those mornings when time is of the essence. The Turbo Plus mode ensures a swift and precise shave, making this cordless shaver a valuable asset in your grooming arsenal. While the Max T cordless shaver might not have made it into the top 5, its combination of performance, innovative features, and design elegance deserves recognition. As an honorable mention, it proves that sometimes hidden gems can offer a unique and reliable grooming experience. Rounding out at about $45, if you're in search of a cordless shaver that balances performance, convenience, and price, the Max T is worth considering. The Braun Series 9. We call this one the Precision Master. The Braun Series 9 is a symphony of precision, and after putting it through its paces, I'm convinced it deserves the top spot on our list. The sheer craftsmanship is evident in its titanium-coated blades that effortlessly glide across your skin. The flexible shaving head adapts to your facial contours like a seasoned dance partner, leaving no hair behind. Whether you're dealing with a 5 o'clock shadow or a week-long beard, the Series 9 tackles it with finesse. The intelligent synchrosonic technology analyzes your beard density and adjusts the power accordingly, ensuring a personalized shaving experience. The Clean and Charge station is the shaver's backstage crew, keeping the shaver hygienic and ready for the next performance. It's not just a shave, it's a grooming masterpiece. So what sets the Braun Series 9 apart? It's AutoSense technology. Here's the scoop. The AutoSense technology in the Braun Series 9 is like having a personal grooming assistant. It dynamically adjusts the power of the shaver based on the thickness of your beard, providing a customized shaving experience. This feature ensures a consistently close shave without any tugging or irritation. Rounding out at about $250, it's not the cheapest shaver around, but more than makes up for that with its name, reliability, and features. There you have it, the creme de la creme of the electric shavers in 2024. Each thoroughly tested and dissected for your grooming pleasure. From Braun's precision prowess to Panasonic's powerhouse performance, Philips' Norelco contouring capabilities, Remington's budget-friendly innovation, and Gillette Labs' luxurious touch, your perfect shave awaits. Don't forget also to explore the description and the pinned post for additional insights, discounts, and any updates on these incredible gadgets. Your support means the world, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Which electric shaver caught your eye? Share your experience and recommendations. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want more product comparisons to help you stay informed, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for future deep dives, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay smooth, and thanks for tuning in to Compare Craze.